1 will start out on the zodiac and we will be plankton hunting. Group 2, you are going to start out plankton looking. There is some microscopes upstairs and you guys are going to be identifying different types of plankton. That's going to be about 40 minutes and then we'll switch. This is our plankton net and this is where we are going to capture plankton in. Have a look. Can you guys see the holes in the mesh with your naked eyes? Why do you think we need a fine mesh for catching plankton? Because they're microscopic, right? You can't see them with your naked eye.
Zooplankton and phytoplankton.
Which one uses sunlight for energy?
Phytoplankton.
Which one eats other things for energy? Fantastic. Okay, we are going to become plankton hunters today, okay? So plankton hunter minds on. If we are going hunting for phytoplankton, do we want to tow shallow in the water column or deep?
No, shallow, because they need sunlight.
Yeah, during the day, is there sun out or is it dark? Sun. So all of the zooplankton are like, ah, we might get eaten by something. So they go deeper down to avoid predators. So right now during the day, our zooplankton are mostly down deeper. And at night, they're gonna come up and feast. Plankton, it actually means drifter. They don't swim, right? Against.
Flow.
Are you guys ready to start the plankton hunt? 1, 2, 3, go! Hold on! Oh my gosh, hold on! So we're gonna go nice and slow so we catch the plankton and when we go look at it, you guys can see like all of their structures and features. It's so crazy. They have like things sticking out, like weird antennas. They're filter feeders, so you guys will see a bunch of things flapping into their mouths. Whoa! Oh my gosh! Oh,
That's plankton?
yeah! All those dots that you guys see? That's all plankton. Are the plankton secure? Yes! Okay, ready, set, go!
What do whales eat?
Krill and plankton.
And we are on a plankton mission. Wouldn't it be crazy if we got to see a whale while we were hunting for plankton? So what kind of plankton are we hunting for? Zooplankton, okay. So we're gonna drop this net deep down. We're gonna let it drift around. Will you guys keep your eyes peeled on the horizon for the things that eat plankton? All right, let's see if we caught anything. Woo! Okay, pass it around. What do you guys think? Do we have plankton? Do you guys see anything in that bin? Is it dirt?
No, they look like tiny plankton.
Yeah, that's not dirt. That's plankton. In review, when do the zooplankton come up to feast?
Oh, at night.
At night, yeah.
And then they glow.
And some plankton glow. And what was the glowing called?
Oh, bioluminescence. Yeah.
Bioluminescence. Are plankton at the bottom or at the top of the food chain?
Bottom.
Did you learn about tiny plastics that plankton eat? Microplastics? Why are tiny plastics a problem?
Oh, because the fish eat it and
then we eat it.
And it's not good for us or the fish.
Would phytoplankton be eating the microplastics or would zooplankton? Yeah, phytoplankton take from the sun, so it would be the zooplankton eating all the microplastics.
You can now disembark.